Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we are going to learn how to submit the PowerPoint presentations that we have created using the Office Suite app at Androids and submit the presentation PowerPoint slides at Google Classroom. For this purpose, open your app, Office Suite app, and then open your PowerPoint slides presentation. And now here you can see that we have two icons at the bottom. First one is just to play your slides, and second one is option of share. Click at this share. With this share you get multiple options to share this slide presentation, but we are going to save this presentation at our Google Drive. So here you can give your file name as your own name. For example, it is for your computer, education, assignment or presentation. So this is the title for document, or you can also type your name and roll number. For example, if this is your name, also mention your class and section. Whatever your roll number in class and subject. Then you have to select the account and which drive you are going to save this file. If you have more than one account at Android, you can change from this account setting. I am saving this presentation at this account. And now in which folder you are going to save this presentation. This is your My Drive. From this you will select the destination, My Drive. Then you can create any specific folder, but I have also created the assignment folder. From where you will create folder, here at top you can see that with My Drive we have the option of this plus for new folder option. You can give the name for your folder, and I also created it for assignments. Here you will select this folder as a destination to upload your assignment of PowerPoint presentation, and then click save. So now your file is uploaded into your Google Drive. Now go to your Google Classroom app and open your class for which you have created this presentation. Go to the presentation assignment and click at this your work, scroll up, and now you have to add attachments. With this option we get these further related options, and we will click at file. Under the attach we have this third option of file. With this file you will be linked with your drive. Again select your account at which you have saved your assignment. Then go to your My Drive and required folder, and here it is this presentation which I have just saved or uploaded. Now this presentation is in process to be attached. Here you can see that this was my first attempt to attach my file, my presentation, which I want to remove. That was my previous attempt. Now this is my current attempt to submit the assignment. I have attached that presentation from my Google Drive, and now I am pressing this turn in to fully submit my assignment. As I have already attempted, so here you can see that the option is resubmit. So resubmit it. With this processing, now your work is submitted to your teacher. Clear? We can also see that how the teacher will get our assignment. Here with your account as a student, you can see that new assignment CE presentation now you have turned in. The rest of the homework, just as lecture points, it is still assigned and you have to submit it. But presentation is turned in, means submitted. Clear? We can go to our teacher account to check that how teacher will receive this presentation. Here, this is your CE presentation. 3 students are turned in. Let's see Shiba Arshad, Safa Minahil, what they have submitted. Computer presentation, she has fully submitted PPT. And here comes Safa Minahil. First one, it is her presentation picture, and then some audio, some video, I think so. And here, this is your PowerPoint presentation. You can click on it to check, is this fully submitted? Yes, it is fully submitted over here. Clear? We can also check the work of Shiba Arshad. Click on it. Computer presentation. Yes, she has taken the images from book. Could try, but you can search from internet also and attach those pictures, as we have learned in the previous video. Then Safa Minahil, what she has done, let's check. Safa Marwa, it's just the name. Then here is the video.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I begin with the name of Allah, who is the most kind and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, teacher. My name is Safa and I am from class 8 Jasmine. My roll number is 13. Today, the presentation of my topic is from chapter Computer Programming is difference between a variable.
So this is all presentation which is recorded with slides and
आपने कर दिया तो वो चेंज नहीं होगा. बट इन वेरिएबल वी कैन चेंज प्रोग्राम वन इज डिफाइंड. अगर रनिंग प्रोग्राम की हो तो हम इसको चेंज कर सकते हैं. और हमारे पास आ जाता है एक और हमारे पास डिफरेंस में बता दूं. देयर इज नो नीड टू राइट a dollar sign before a constant. हमें कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है कि हमें कोई नीड नहीं है इसकी डॉलर साइन की. हमको
that we will discuss in class, but in this way you can add your PowerPoint slides or videos and how teacher will get your work done. Clear? To sum up, all the points from your student accounts. What you will do, you have to go to your classroom, then open your presentation assignment, scroll up to your work. Here I have also submitted the work done. Otherwise, here we have the options that we have earlier explained. After this, you have submitted your work. You have created your presentation in Office Suite, then uploaded that assignment presentation into your Google Drive with the share option, and then you have opened your Google Classroom assignment, announced assignment of presentation. Then you have scroll up your work, add attachment from your Google Drive. After attachment, you have clicked turned in. So your work is submitted to your teacher. Hopefully now it is fully explained that how to add your presentations to your teachers announced at Google Classroom for the PowerPoint slides. Clear? In the same way, you can also upload your Word documents or Excel sheets at your Google Drive, and then in your Google Classroom at specific assignment you can add the file of that document, Excel sheet, PowerPoint slides, or any recorded video from your Google Drive. So in this way your material will be submitted to your subject teachers. If still there is any query, you can ask me. I am here to support you. Thank you all.